Hello friends, I am Dr. Madhukar Jadhav. In previous lecture, we have seen the different types of screens, in that coarse screen, medium screen and fine screen, and also we have seen regarding hydraulics of screen. In this lecture, we are going to study regarding velocity of flow through the screens, then head loss through the screens, and finally disposal of screening. So starting with velocity through the screen. The velocity and head loss plays very important role as far as design of screen is concerned. So the velocity through the screen should be such that maximum amount of screening are retained without undue deposition. Second point, velocities of 0.6 to 1.2 meter per second through the open area for the peak flow have been used satisfactorily. The velocity should not be less than 0.3 meter per second to prevent the deposition of different types of solids at the bottom of the screen chamber. A velocity of 0.8 meter per second is appropriate for considerable amount of storm water, which preventing grit deposition at the bottom of screen chamber. A straight channel succeeding the screen assures good velocity distribution across the screen and maximum effectiveness of the screening devices. Then second important parameter in the design of screen chamber is head loss. Head loss through the screen. Head loss through the screen depends upon the quantity and nature of the screening accumulated. Head loss can be calculated using the following formula. Head loss H is equal to 0.0729 into bracket capital V square minus small v square, where small h is the head loss in meter, capital V the velocity through the screens in meter per second, and small v the velocity before the screen in meter per second. The value of head loss is usually 0.15 meter and it should not exceed 0.3 meter for clogged hand screens. Second formula for finding out the head loss. Another approach to determine the head loss through a bar screen is given by Kingster's equation. As per this equation, H is equal to beta into bracket capital W divided by B raised to 4 by 3 plus h nu into sine of theta, where small h is the head loss in meter, beta the bar safe factor, capital W is the maximum width of the bar facing the flow in meters, small b the minimum clear spacing between the bars in meter, h nu the velocity head of flow approaching the rack in meter and is calculated as h nu is equal to v square divided by 2g, and theta the angle of inclination of the rack with the horizontal. Now depending upon the shapes of the bars, we have to use the value of beta from the table. So first type of bars, sharp edged rectangular bars, the value of beta is 2.42. Rectangular bars with semi-circular upstream 1.83. Then circular bars, beta value is 1.79, and rectangular bars with both upstream and downstream face as a semicircular, the beta value is 1.67. Next one, regarding disposal of screening. Screening is nothing but it is a material which is trapped by the screens. The quantity of screening varies depending upon the type of screens as well as sewer system and characteristics of the sewage. Quantity of screening removed by bar screen mostly ranges between 0.0035 to 0.0375 cubic meter per 1000 cubic meter of wastewater treated, with an approximate typical value of 0.015 cubic meter per 1000 cubic meter of sewage flowing through the screen chamber. Then next one, screening is usually disposed of along with municipal solid waste on sanitary landfill. It can also be brought back to the wastewater after passing it through grinder or disintegrator pumps. The other options for the disposal of screening is incineration, means we have to burn the material at a large temperature, maybe of 1000 degrees centigrade, or burning of the screening at the plant site itself. So this is regarding the head loss through the screens, velocity of flow through the screens, and different methods or techniques for the disposal of screening. Thank you.